Butterfly movement. The butterfly movement is intended as a transition movement from the standing position, where your feet are placed against the floor, to a resting position, where your legs are long. The butterfly movement also retrains the hip to move in a circular or semicircular rotation. Begin by lying on your back with your feet in a standing position. The feet should be hip distance apart and parallel. Bring your hands down to the floor, palms face down to support movement. Exhale the left knee down toward the floor, opening and drawing all of the weight to the left side. Now press the left heel long, lengthening the leg along the floor. Now reverse that motion. Drawing the left heel back towards the sits bone, the knee opens out and then draws up toward the midline, toward the sky. Do this a few times until you find it moving fluidly through the full range of motion in the hip.